Hello everyone, welcome back. It's part 25 of our journey from 10k to 100k. Right now we are at 57k balance. Watch this video from the start till the end to see how I lost 2k trading Eurostox today. And don't forget, of course, to join our free Discord community where we share our analysis, talk, and answer any questions you have. So yeah, see you in chats. So looking right now at the potential sells on Eurostox, yeah, something like this. Basically, London session, Frankfurt session opens in 17 minutes, and if market stays like this below this red line, then I will take an entry, place an order. But if it in these 17 minutes starts to break out of this, then I will cancel the order. I will not place the order, and yeah, so. Yeah, that's about it. Basically calling this as the first MB, this as the second MB, this as the fractal MB inside there. And yeah, and the 6-hour MB, it is looking a little bit choppy, I know. But I'm willing to risk. I will risk 2k. That's less than 5% from the account. But yeah, we have this MB, and I don't see any MB that supports the price down at the moment. This wasn't the MB, it's still all this as an MB. So I will call this, and we are squeezing, EMAs are shifting, so I like that. It's good enough, and yeah, we'll see if I get the entry. ATR is 21, so we will need our stop to be somewhere below 22, something like this. And yeah, still I'm not placed an order. This is just at the moment. If market gets higher than that in the next 15 minutes, then I will not take it. But yeah, then by the way, we got full take profit on gold. On this gold, yesterday we took an entry. Go back, watch that episode. And yeah, so we are right now at 59k, which is fucking crazy. Yeah, right now at almost 60k. So look at this run on gold. On Japanese gold, beautiful run. We got full take profits, and yeah, then we got in 10th April we got the break even. Here we got the stop loss and two beautiful trades. Just perfection. This shows you how to really follow trends and understand which markets could potentially move in the best context, etc. So yeah, that's why we have been focusing on gold since it made this, and you can go watch back those episodes, part 18, part 16, that I told you that if we make some kind of strength, I will follow market to the bullish side, and that's exactly what we did. And right now we are at 60k, and yeah, so the same thing goes for gold, but unfortunately I haven't taken. The only place I took gold is here. I skipped. Unfortunately, basically, I took a trade right here, which was in 27th March. It was like a month ago. It was a partial and then break even and missed all this. Then it pulled back. It made that strength, showed me that it wants to go higher, but I missed all this because there wasn't any setup to take for me. Then it pulled back again, started to set up, took an entry here. It was a full take profit, and then missed all this once it pulled back and kept going. Unfortunately, because this happened over the night. But the beautiful thing that market keeps on delivering when the market cycle is there and the momentum is there. I don't care who is controlling this market, but the beautiful thing is that we are following this market since the January, since the October. We are just following the market. As you can see, these are my trades. February, we were following bullishness on gold. January, we were following bullishness right here. We started to follow bullishness since 7th January or even 10th December. Beautiful place. And even in here we got a lot of money last year. It's just beautiful how market moves when you understand the cycles. But at the same time, you can see I missed a lot of entries. Basically not entries, but a lot of market data to get profits. This is the only entry I got in all this price action. But anyways, it's just beautiful, really beautiful. Yeah, then looking at DAX, looks perfect. I really like this. We have MB to the downside on validation. Let's write that down. Distribution MB. We have MB to the downside. All I need is the same thing on entry time frame, and I will take a sell. Eurostox, the same thing. Nasdaq made a flush, beautiful. Want to see an MB starting to create one right here. Still not valid. Want to see candle closure, so it validates the MB and then creates another one, and I'm taking an entry again. US 30. As you remember, we had a trade yesterday. Beautiful trade. Yeah, and the same thing. Japanese index still doesn't have what I need. Hong Kong index made that, and actually didn't made MB, but basically nothing to do. I don't have an MB, it's doing this, so nothing on Hong Kong. UK 100 made an MB, beautiful, but if you compare UK 100 and DAX, DAX looks better. Why should I risk my money? The EMAs doesn't look the best, so I don't want to risk my money on it at the moment. Yeah, but we'll see if it makes, let's say, MB and here the second one. I will probably take it, because then on 6 hour we will be right here and EMAs will start to squeeze. So yeah, it really depends what it does. But if it does something like this and then makes something like this, these small MBs above the EMAs on 6 hour, then I will not take it. Spain, yeah, made an MB, but EMAs are just too bullish. Italy didn't made. Italy isn't open at the moment. Then silver looks nice. Silver really looks nice. We got an MB right here, so I want to see another MB and take an entry. So actually, silver goes here. We can place these back because gold will not set up today. Yeah, copper. Still, I don't see it. I think, yeah, it's hard to break out of the EMA, so potentially, but not at the moment. So I'm in Eurostox trade. Yeah, right now it doesn't look that great, but we'll see how it does. And yeah, basically none of the other markets right now sets up. Silver starts to make MB, so potentially something like this. DAX, yeah, still nothing. Nasdaq and all of these, yeah. So I'll be back once something new happens. So got stopped out from Eurostox, so that's a -1. But like I said, I didn't risk 5% on it. I risked 2K. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. At the moment, still I'm bearish on it. All I need is to make an MB again and take an entry lower, but yeah, we'll see if it makes it. To be honest with you, if I'm looking like this, I don't like that we are chopping right now. Then other markets, silver is pushing down. Now it's still valid to take with this kind of a stop, but we'll see. We'll place an alert. DAX is pushing higher, which is great because we will have MB right here, then the second one, and probably go down. We'll see. Yeah, nothing really has happened. Yeah, so that's basically it for now. Got the -1, and yeah, gold, by the way, touched 350. Sorry, 3,500, which is insane. Yeah, it has moved in 2 days 6%. That's crazy. So I am expecting like real flush and then new setups. Of course, if it does something like this and sets up new entries, then I'll of course take it. But I think that it will now probably push lower, because we have such a big momentum from it, like really huge momentum. I would expect something like this, right now, but we'll see. We're just speculating, it doesn't mean anything, because of course I'll take an entry if market flushes on 1 hour time frame and sets up new entries, but we'll see. But it's really crazy how it's pushing right now. So yeah, that's basically it for now, and I'll see you later. What's up? So I'm back. Basically spent whole day sleeping, still not feeling the best. But yeah, so looking to take a silver trade. The only thing that I don't like is that silver has pretty big spread. It's not anything crazy, but it's not small. But yeah, overall it looks nice. On the EMA squeezing with the potential 2-day chart is above the EMAs, daily is above, and also squeezing, creating that momentum MB. So looks nice, and yeah, so I will place an order for it. I already did, as you can see, but yeah, we'll place an alert so I know when trade is taken. And yeah, then I took Bitcoin, but I took it on one of my prop firms. I didn't take it on this account. I didn't want to risk it, and yeah, that's why. But I took it on one of my prop firms. Already took out a partial, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I just didn't like. It looked nice, but I didn't want to risk on this account because I wasn't 100% sure. It looked nice. It was building the momentum MB on daily, on 6 hour momentum MB, but yeah, just didn't want it to risk on this account. Yeah, but still will make money. Already made the money from this trade on my prop firm, so it's okay. Then was looking at DAX, but didn't made the MB. Was waiting for first MB, second MB, but now respecting the EMAs and going higher. Nasdaq as well. Was waiting for the first MB and then the second one, but it created a new MB right here to the top side, and I was waiting again for double and it failed. So nothing here. Yeah, but overall still looks nice for bearishness. Yeah, my internet is pretty slow, but around the EMAs exactly, so if it starts to break down, then that's nice. US30 the same thing, didn't happen anything. And basically, yeah, that's it. This was the trade I took in the morning, a loss, and yeah, nothing really sets up, everything is pulling back. Gold flushed, perfectly. Exactly what I was speaking about yesterday, that I want to see a flush, or this morning, I don't remember. But yeah, we got a flush. So either something like this, or we go into the deeper flush, look like this. And yeah, so yeah, basically that's about it. There's nothing really more. Back, and yeah, so Bitcoin's still running, got a partial, but yeah, still running on my prop firms. And yeah, then I took silver, and it was a break even. Basically we got to 0.8 R right here, and I placed my stop on a break even, and yeah, it stopped me out, and now doing the same. So I don't have anything anymore. Basically we have an MB, and now yeah, I need it to flush and set up new setups, yeah, and yeah, so that's that. Oops. And then looking at other markets, basically nothing gave an opportunity. You know, everything started to recover. As you can see, I was waiting for MBs here, but nothing really. So yeah, but still I will be looking at sells. You're looking great. Same thing for years 30, just building the fourth MB to go down, so that's positive. And yeah. So basically, I think it will be it for this episode. There is really nothing to talk about, because market will not give me an entry. We have Tesla. Tesla announces earnings soon after market closes. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think there will be any setups. Yeah, all of the market just starts to recover. Yeah, same thing for US oil, nothing really. Gold, exactly as expected, is pushing down, which is perfect, and I really like this. As expected, basically, and yeah, so yeah, that's it basically, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.